In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Google Drive. We'll be walking through each step in detail, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Trello board linked directly to your Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful for managing attachments and sharing resources seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and navigate to your Trello board. This is where the integration with Google Drive will take place. Once you're on your board, look for the three dots icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on these three dots will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll want to select Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello are essentially add-ons that provide additional functionalities to your boards. In the Power-Ups menu, there's a search bar available. Click on it and start typing Google Drive. The built-in search feature will help you quickly find the Google Drive power-up among many others available in Trello. Once Google Drive appears in your search results, you'll see an Add button next to it. Click on this button to initiate the connection process. After it's added, you can exit the Power-Ups menu and return to your Trello board to start using this feature. Now, head over to any card on your Trello board. It can be any task or project card where you'd like to attach files from Google Drive. Click on the card to open its details view. Inside the card, you'll find another Power-Ups button. Click on this button once more, and now you should see Google Drive among the available options. Select Google Drive to begin the linking process. On selecting Google Drive, you'll see an option labeled Attach a File. Click on it, and you will be prompted to link your Google Drive account. You will need to consent to this connection, granting Trello permission to view and handle your Google Drive files. This usually involves a couple of authorization screens. After ensuring that you've successfully linked your account, Trello will display your Google Drive files. Choose the file you want to attach to your card by clicking on it, and then hit Continue to finalize the attachment. This linking process allows you to utilize the full power of Google Drive within your Trello workflow. You can attach any file you need directly from your Google Drive to your Trello cards, streamlining your project management process. This synergy between Trello and Google Drive ensures all your documents and files are easily accessible and organized within your task management setup. That wraps up our tutorial today. You've successfully connected Trello to Google Drive, enabling you to integrate file management and task organization in a seamless manner. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.